Hi everybody, Edsel here. I just arrived in Seattle. It's been a while, so I'm super excited to be here. I was going to take a Lyft to my Airbnb downtown, but Lyft actually suggested I take the light rail, which is just like an hour train ride to get downtown. I figured, you know, why not? It's only $3, so I'd be saving $40, and I'm only losing half an hour. So yeah, and I think it'd be fun, you know, just super relaxing, and I have nowhere else to be tonight. So yeah, I will show you guys how to take the light rail from Seattle Tacoma Airport to downtown Seattle. So let's go, should be a lot of fun. Oh, I'm so stupid. I'm already on the 4th floor. So from here, aha. Guys, when you're traveling, make sure to read the signs. I think I'm getting close. You see those blue lights there? That looks like the light rail. Okay, got my ticket. Now off to the deck.
Next stop, 12 International Boulevard. Next stop, Beacon Hill Station.
6266.
Yep, I'm familiar. Yeah. Well, hey, sir, it's a pleasure meeting you. Yeah. You too, take care of yourself. Appreciate it. Got off at Capitol Hill Station. Right now I'm on my way to an iconic Seattle establishment called Dick's, and I kind of think of it as like Seattle's In-N-Out, but first thing I'm trying right when I land in Seattle, so let's see. What's up, man? How's it going? Can I get one deluxe, one cheeseburger, fries, and a vanilla cone, a single scoop? No thanks. You too. All right, guys. So I just went like a block down the street from the Dick's and brought this with me. There's a lot of people at the actual Dick's, and there were no tables because of COVID, so you can't actually eat there. And since it's a drive-in, the thing to do is to pull up with your car, grab food, and eat in your car. But obviously, I don't have a car, so I'm just gonna eat out here. All right, so I ordered a few things. Give you a quick glimpse in there. The big one is the Deluxe, which is, I'm assuming their #1 item. And it is a double cheeseburger with their sauce, as well as lettuce and melted cheese. So, all right, let's try the Dick's Deluxe Burger. Definitely some mustard in there, mayonnaise. It's really sweet, but not too sweet. Yeah, it's pretty good. Better than In-N-Out. I'm gonna have to say no, but is it worth going to Dick's while you're in Seattle for the Deluxe Burger? Yeah, totally. It's only like what, like $3 too? For that price, yeah, I can't go wrong. And that bun is really soft. Apparently it's locally made too, which is always a plus in my book. I got just an order of fries. You can get the fries in one size only. And I think these are just a little over $2. They're actually made of real potatoes, and I was watching them. Wash them, cut them, fry them. That's it, it's that simple. But they're a little soggy. I've heard that it's hard to get these fresh because obviously they're just constantly making it, and sometimes they sit there, right? But it's actually got a really nice saltiness to it. You know what I'm gonna say? That Dick's fries is better than In-N-Out's fries. That's just facts. All right, we're gonna put these away for now. I got one more burger I ordered. And the other one is just a plain cheeseburger. I got the plain cheeseburger because the cheeseburger said it had mild mustard on it. But again, that bun just makes this for me. Standard cheeseburger from Dick's. Simple. That mustard actually packs a punch. But this bun, it's probably the best thing about this burger. I don't mind just taking a bite of just straight up bun, ketchup and mayo. All right guys, so here's the verdict. Dick's, that bun, amazing. The fries, better than In-N-Out. Overall though, I think In-N-Out still takes it for me. But I'm glad I came, and I'm glad I tried it. And if you're ever in Seattle, it's definitely worth going to Dick's and having a burger. Oh, and by the way, I ordered a vanilla cone and it was melting, so I had to eat it. But that was great too. Yeah, this is a great first night in Seattle. It was a journey from the airport to Dick's and finding a place to film. But I'm happy with the way it turned out, and I hope you guys liked the video. If you liked it, please hit that like button down below, comment if you've had Dick's before, and subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.